can't ask me.
And me also.
Everyone's turn will come. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Can
ma'am.
I say something?
Yeah, Twista, please tell me.
See this?
Very nice. Who made this?
What, ma'am?
Who made this drawing?
Me and my mother.
Very good. So, children, as you all know that we are doing the chapter number 11, tables and shares. In this, we have already started about multiplication properties, right? And we have learned some multiplication tricks, how to multiply and how to get the tables. Many things we have learned in this chapter. And we have yesterday I gave you how to multiply 3-digit number with the 1-digit number, right? And now today I'm going to ask, as I already started asking tables from everyone. So few students I have covered on the last day. Now I'm going to again ask. Yes, Ashvi. Ashvi, turn on your mic and camera. We want no raising hands. I'm going to ask each and every student. Ashvi, you are there in the class? Ashvi. Children, only one time I'll call your name. If you're not able to switch on your mic and camera, you will lose your marks. Ashvi, you are there. I can see, but you are not turning on your mic and talking to me. You are not audible to me. Am I audible to you all, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
You are
ma'am.
audible.
Ashvi, you are not audible to me. That day also I faced the same difficulty with you. Please. Now, my next child is Dharya. Your turn is done. Okay, Fazan. Farzan. Farzan.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me table of 12.
12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are
Good morning, Renu ma'am.
84,
I joined the class.
12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 100, and
And what we have to do?
Anushka, I'm asking tables.
12 nines
My
are
table is also.
Yes?
ma'am, 12 nines are
108.
118.
8.
8, 12 tens are 120.
Farzan, you have to work on your tables.
Yes.
Learn it by heart.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Anushka.
morning, children.
Ma'am,
Yes. Anushka, tell me table of 13.
13, okay, ma'am. 13 ones are
Turn
13,
on your
13
camera.
twos. Ma'am, my camera is on.
Okay, yes.
13 1, 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 sixes are 78, 13 eights are
13 sevens are
13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104, 13 nines are 117, 13 tens are 130.
okay, good. Next is Priya. Priya. Priya, I
Yes.
give chance to other child if you not listen to once.
Yes. Ma'am, I
Priya,
said.
table of 14.
Ma'am, I know 12.
I have mentioned no till 15 you have to learn. Table, tell me table of 12 today and learn it till 15. Tell me table of 12.
12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 sixes are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120.
Gunav,
Yes, ma'am.
how many tables till how many tables you have learned?
15, ma'am.
Okay, tell me table of 13.
13, ma'am. 3, 1, oh, sorry. 13, 1, 13, 13,
Wait a minute, Gunav. Camera, yeah. Now tell.
Ma'am, 13 ones are 30, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes and 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 six are 78, 13
Okay,
sevens are
Gunav, wait. 13 fours are?
52, ma'am.
Okay, good. Next.
13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104, 13 nines are 117.
You are
30
reading
cents,
from somewhere or you have
30.
learned, Gunav?
Ma'am, I learned.
Good. 13 nines are?
39 are 117.
Then?
13 tens are 130.
Good. Next. Jahan Jariwala. Jahan Jariwala. I will mark absent otherwise if you not answer me once. Okay, I'll go to next child. Jahan Jariwala, you are there in the class? Khevna.
Ma'am, I have said once.
Okay, Khevna. Khevna, no, I have not written your name.
But ma'am, I have said.
You have said last time maybe, when I was asking last time. This is the next 15.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I know till the table of 12.
till table of 9 only.
12, 12.
12.
Ma'am, that chapter 11 62. Ma'am, that chapter 11 62, I was late because I have done on time only, but I forgot you to send the pics. That's why I was late.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anushka.
I know the table is still 19.
Okay, good. Yes, Khevna. Khevna, you have learned till 12.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
You tell me today table of 12 and please learn it till 15.
12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 12, 12 threes are
12 threes are? Your voice is not coming to me. Still not coming. No, you log out and log in again.
yeah.
Ma'am, she's not speaking only.
Khevna, you can hear me? Khevna, do one thing, log out and log in again. Next, Khush Ahuja. Khush Ahuja. Khush Ahuja absent?
No, ma'am, present.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. So Khush Ahuja, please tell me table of 13.
Ma'am, I know till 12 and 15.
So where who is going to learn table of 13 and 14? First of all, sit properly, Kush. You are half
Yes, ma'am.
visible to me. Sit properly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, who is going to learn table of 13 and 14?
Ma'am, I will learn today.
Tell me table of 15.
15 1 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 15 3 is 45, 15 4 is 15 4 is 60, 15 5 is 75, 15 6 is 90, 15 7 is 15 7 is 105, 15 8 is 120,
What 20?
15 9 is
You are laughing or you
1.
are telling me the table? Or you are talking to someone?
I'm telling you. No, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me 15 8
15 8 is
Children, you have to
135,
be well
15
prepared
9
for
is
your tables. Yes. Kush, sorry. You
yes,
please
ma'am.
prepare it again. I will come back to you next day.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, Arya.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, because of an connection video, I did not attend the class. Can you say?
I am asking tables just
And
now.
Vihan can say any table.
No, wait for your turn. Okay. Now, meanwhile, I'll start my topic today. And then again, I will come back to the tables. So today's our topic is, as you all know that we have done yesterday, the 3-digit multiplication with the 1-digit. Now, each and every child, I'm going to on my chat box, each and every child has to write 3-digit with the 1-digit multiplication, the multiplicand, multiplier, and the product. All the 3 numbers you have to write, and please solve that multiplication sum and write it in the chat box fast. Take any 3-digit numbers and take 1 digit as the multiplier and find the product and write it in the chat box. And you have to do at least 2 sums in your notebook also right now. Please do 2 sums in your notebook taking 3-digit with the 1-digit multiplication. And write only one example out of these 2 in your chat box also.
Ma'am, how we have to write example? Only product or full sum?
No, full. You have to write the digit, then put a multiply sign. If you don't have multiply, put the X sign and put the next number as the multiplier and then find the product.
Okay, ma'am.
Please do it fast. And then after that, I will switch off this and solve everyone's answer. Please do fast. Vihan has done. You have to do at least 2 sums also in your notebook. Very good, excellent, Meeta. Anushka has done. I will check the answers later on.
Write the answer also.
Yes, write the answer also. Ashwi, please get it repaired as soon as possible. Khevna, you just check 2 into 3 is 4.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I was typing now, so accidentally I pressed 4. Sorry.
No problem. Do it again.
Ma'am, we have to do the 3 multiplied by 1 sum in our notebook also.
You have to take any digit, any 3-digit number with the 1 digit and do it here and do 2 sums in your notebook also.
Okay. my laptop there is no multiplication sign.
Use X sign.
Okay, ma'am.
Please, I'm giving you 1 minute time. Please solve it. Everyone, I want Farzan, Kevna, Nishika, Ayush, Ekansh, Lakshya, Yash. Everyone's.
Ma'am,
I want at
may I
least
go to
one example from everyone.
ma'am? May I go to washroom?
Yes, Anushka, please go.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, can we write 2 examples or only 1?
you write other examples in your notebook.
Ma'am, I have written 2 in notebook, but we can write more in this
No,
chat box.
no, one example from each child. Because I need to check everyone's.
Ma'am, I will check mine I've sent.
Please do fast. There you have taken 2 digits with 1 digit. You have to take 3 digits with 1 digit.
Ma'am, I had written in the chat box. Can you see?
Yeah, once I will
Ma'am,
switch off my chat box, then I will read everyone's.
Ma'am, Ayush one is right. The one I have sent.
Once I will switch off my chat box, then I will read. Do it fast, then we'll start our today's topic. I want everyone's. Please.
Ma'am, done in notebook and in chat box.
Good. Okay. Now I'm going to switch off my chat box. Write fast. I'll count till 3. 1, 2, and the last is 3. I will switch off my chat box now. Okay. Now children, be ready. I'm going to ask these questions from you children only. So you have to solve it fast and tell me whether it is right or wrong. Vihan is the first one who has done. 768 multiplied by 3. His answer is 768 multiplied by 3. So his answer is 2304. Is he right or wrong? Solve it fast and tell me. Is he right or wrong?
Ma'am, it's right.
Who has told me?
Nishika Choksi.
Yes. Right. Is Meet right? 4 multiplied by 200 is 800.
Yes, ma'am, it is right.
Yes, ma'am, it is right.
Right. Yes. Now after Meet, Anushka has written 623 multiplied by 3. 1869. Is he right? Is she right?
Right. Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, right.
Kevna has written that is wrong. Read the Nishika's one. 789. 789 multiplied by 6. 4734 is right. Children, 4734 is right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And Rudra has written 854 multiplied by 8. Is 6832 right? Yes, Rudra
Wrong,
is
ma'am.
right.
Wrong, ma'am.
Right. Rudra Mangotia is right. His answer is right. So please check it again.
Right.
Meet
It's right.
Kevlani has written 500 multiplied by 6. 3000 is right.
Right, ma'am.
Right, ma'am.
Yes, Patel is right. Ridhan is right.
Me, Renu.
Ma'am,
Yes, Renu.
you didn't tell
Ma'am,
my name.
say that in my sum which I've done now, 1 digit has come further. I was writing another in it. So, like,
We will check it.
okay, ma'am.
Amriti has written 999 multiplied by 4 gives you 3996. Is she right? Please solve it, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Priya has written 175 multiplied by 3 is 525. Yes, she is right.
Yes,
Go to
she is right.
Ashmi, 132 multiply by 4. Is she right? Right? Is Ashmi right, children?
No, ma'am.
No. 132 multiplied by 4 gives you 528, not only 52.
I think she has done division.
Maybe. So go to Khemnas. She has done 123 multiplied by 2 gives you 246. She's right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anj has done
Yes, ma'am.
352 multiplied by 6. 2112. Children, you can get many sums from here also and write it in your notebooks. Ekansh is right. Then Ayansh is right. 4 multiplied by 200. Then Fazan is right. Kahan has written 468 multiplied by 4 is 1872. Is he right? Yes. Prisha has written 120 multiplied by 2, 240. Yes. Arya is 134 multiplied by 1 is 134. Good. Aryaman Sangai has written 4 multiplied by 500 is 2000. Aryaman, just check. 500 multiplied by 4, yes, 1000. 152 multiplied by 2. Lamha has written 152 multiplied by 2 is 304 will come. Lamha, just check your answer.
What, ma'am? Yes.
Check your answer. Nishika has written 653 multiplied by 6.
Oh, I forgot to carry over.
You check your answer also. 653 multiplied by 6
Ma'am,
gives you 3918. Your answer is wrong, Nishika.
ma'am, I just forgot to carry over.
Yes, so you need to check and do it again. 789 multiplied by 6. 47. That you have changed the answers, Nishika. You just check now. Priya is right, multiplied by 1. Dhairya is 23 multiplied by 6. Let me check because you have taken only 2 digits. So we go to your next.
Scroll down, then I will return 3.
Yes, I will do it. 136 multiplied by 5. Ayush Singhania 680 will come. Let me check again. 136 multiplied by 5. Your answer is 660, but it should come 680. 5, 6 is 30, 5 is 15 plus 3, 18. Have you understood, Ayush? Ayush.
Instead of 3, I added only 1.
Yes. So your answer should be 680, not 660. Then Ekansh has written 352 multiplied by 6. 352 multiplied by 6. 2112. Yes. Nishika has written. Nishika, you have written this many times. So I need to check to others. Anya has written 352 multiplied by 6. Again the same. Aryaman again same. Nek has written. Nek has written 125 multiplied by 5 is 625. Yes.
Yes,
So
right.
I go to Meet Kevlani has written 600 milliliters, 1 liter. Yes, Meet, why you have come back to liters and milliliters? I know we are going to do in multiplication and this also, but right now what you want to solve, you have not given the answer also. Vansh is right. Riddhi has done 241 multiplied by 7 is 1687. Right. Ekansh, Nishika has written the same again and again. Jahan Jariwala 1500 multiplied by 3. 1500 multiplied by 3 gives you 4500, not 3000. It's 4500 should be. Nishika, Lakshya is right. Nishika again done the same. Dhairya, yes. Dhairya, you do it again. You have written 235
Yeah,
Multiply
ma'am.
by
Four I
6.
turned behind and one.
Yes.
Yeah, it does
0
not
should come
shuffle.
after 4.
Yeah.
Yug Baria is right. Prisha has written 750 multiplied by 3 is 2550.
Mummy, 9 is a hello.
Prisha has written 231 multiplied by 1386. Yes. Please mute your mic, everyone.
Was 9
Riddhi,
correct?
Yes, correct.
Riddhi, switch off your mic, Riddhi.
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is
Yes,
9
yes, you are
correct?
correct. Now, children, I have checked many of you have done correct multiplication. I have checked, my dear, and I have explained that time only. Okay. Now I will go to Vihan. Now I will go to the next topic. Today we are going to learn the multiplication on number line. So I'm going to show you one video. Please see it carefully and then I will explain you. Catherine, ma'am, my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. It is.
Multiplication facts on number line.
Can you maintain your mic?
Today, we're going to learn how multiplication can be carried out on the number line. Precious, can you say what is multiplication?
Multiplication is simply repeated addition.
Excellent,
Ma'am, do we
Precious.
have to write?
Now let's
Who was asking something? Children, you are not going to write anything. You just please pay attention and listen it carefully. As you all know that multiplication is a repeated addition. So please pay attention on these important terms and the facts of
multiply 3 times 3. This arc has jumped from 0 to 3. This arc has jumped from 3 to 6. This arc has jumped from 6 to 9. When 3 is multiplied by 3, the answer is 9. It's like adding 3 to itself 3 times. The arcs have jumped all the way from 0 to 9 in steps of 3 each. This is like saying 3 times 3 is equal to 9.
Wow! That makes it so easy.
Yes, let's try another one. Now let's multiply 5 times 2. This arc.
Now, children, you have to pay. Vihan, sit properly. Children, you have to pay attention here that if the term is written 5 times 2, then when you jump it on the number line, which number has to repeat? How many hops you have to take? You have to pay attention here. Right?
5 hops be taken.
Arc has jumped from 0 to 2. This arc has jumped from 2 to 4. This arc has jumped from 4 to 6. This arc has jumped from 6 to 8. This arc has jumped from 8 to 10. Precious, can you give the answer?
Well, I think 2 has been added to itself 4 times. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8.
Ma'am, can I see the answer?
Are you quite sure?
Yes, I am.
Who will say the correct answer for this? Yes,
Ma'am,
Vivan.
I know. Ma'am,
Yes.
there are 5 rocks and there are 10. 5 twos are 10.
Here no row, no column is there, Vivan. There is hopping. This is number line.
5 hopping.
Now, if I say it's a repeated addition, how many times you have to write 2?
Ma'am, we have to write 5 times 2.
Yes.
The answer will be 5 twos are 10.
No, Precious. That's not correct. Amber, it's your turn now.
Well, it's very simple. 2 has been added to itself 5 times. So, 5 times 2 is equal to 10.
Well done, Amber. You are absolutely correct. Hi, Amber. Hi, Precious.
Hi, Buster. Hi, Buster.
Today, we're going to learn about the multiplication fact. This arc has jumped from 0 to 2. This arc has jumped from 2 to 4. This arc has jumped from 4 to 6. Precious, can you tell me the multiplication fact for this number line?
Please tell me the multiplication fact for this number line. How you will write in the multiplication term?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Vihan.
Ma'am, it is 3 twos are 6. There are 3 arcs and the arcs are jumping 2 numbers.
Okay, let's see.
Yes. The arcs have jumped from 0 to 6 in 3 steps of 2 each. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6.
Very good, Precious. Well done. Now it's your turn, Amber. This arc has jumped from 0 to 4. This arc has jumped from 4 to 8. Amber, what is the multiplication?
Riddhi, will you explain what is the multiplication term for this?
4 twos are 8.
Riddhi, sit properly.
4 plus 4 8. Ma'am, 2 fours are 8.
Ma'am, 2 fours are 8.
Please write it in the chat box. Write in the chat box, everyone. What will be the multiplication fact for this? See, children, 2 into 4 is also 8 and 4 into 2 also 8. But you have to pay attention on the multiplication fact here. Which is repeating, which is the first number, which is the second number in the multiplication fact. 4 into 2.
Ma'am, can see my. Ma'am, see my.
Vansh has written. Vansh, you please check.
Ma'am, see my also, please.
Okay, I will read it later on. I will switch off this and I will let you know to clear this why it is 2 into 4 and why it is 4 into 2.
Multiplication fact for this number line?
The 2 arcs have jumped from 0 to 8 in 2 steps of 4 each. So, 2 times 4 is equal to 8.
I'm going.
Why, children, it is 2 into 4? Why it is not 4 into 2?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, please, Vihan, explain it. Why?
Ma'am, the number, how many arcs are there, that number will come first, and how many numbers is jumping, the arc will come second. That is the multiplication fact.
Is he correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am is
Now,
correct.
if I say
Yes,
5,
ma'am.
if I say 5 multiply by 3, okay. So how many jumps you will take?
5.
Of which number?
3. 3.
So please, yeah, please write in the chat box. If I say 5 multiply by 3, so what will be the, how you will write into the repeated addition? How you will write it into the repeated addition? Please write in the chat box. If I say 5 multiply by 3, if you want to change this multiplication fact into the repeated addition, how you will change it? Please write it in the chat box. Yes, very good. Vihan has written 3 plus 3 plus 3. 5 times 3 he has written. Means जो second number होता है 5 times, इसको पढ़ते कैसे हम? How we will read this 5 multiplied by 3? 5 times 3. तो क्या 5 times आएगा? What will come 5 times? 3 जो है वो 5 times आएगा.
Ma'am, the second number will come. See my please.
Lakshya has written 5. Let me see Lakshya. Lakshya has written 5 multiplied by 3. No, Lakshya, you have written 5 till 3 times. You have to write 3 5 times.
Ma'am, the number which is second, it will come. We will add it.
Yes, the number which is coming second, उसको ही addition में लेंगे. तो कितने times? First number को देख के, right? If it is, if I say 7 multiplied by 3.
7 times 3.
Or if I take 7 multiplied by 6.
Ma'am, 7 times 6.
And see my again also. 3, 1, 3.
I will check Lakshya now, wait. So my number is 7 multiplied by 6. How you will write it into the repeated addition?
7 times 6.
7 times 6. Because we
7
need
times
the term as times. 7 times 6. So when they hop from 0 to first half will be? If I take this number 7 multiplied 6 into the number line.
Ma'am, 6.
Children, why only Vihan is speaking? Others are sleeping in the class? If I say my term is 7 multiplied by 6. So when you want to show this on the number line, your first hop from 0 to 6 and 6 to 6 and 6 to
6 to the
12. Please note,
6 to the 12. 18.
Yes. So you have to hop up according to the second number. You have to hop according to the second number. And how many times? According to the first number. Okay, how many times? According to the first number. And which number you have to hop? According to the second number. I'm going to show this video again.
I'm going to teach you some simple multiplication.
Please check it again from the beginning.
Precious, can you say what is multiplication?
Multiplication is simply repeated addition.
Excellent, Precious. Now let's multiply 3 times 3. This arc has jumped from 0 to 3.
Now, children, first of all, listen to me. If you understood till here, you take one example of multiplication fact, write it with the addition also, and write it how you will jump on the number line. Please write it in the chat box. And then again, I'm going to play the video. You please watch.
This arc has jumped from 3 to 6. This arc has jumped from 6 to 9. When 3 is multiplied by 3, the answer is 9. It's like adding 3 to itself 3 times. The arcs have jumped all the way from 0 to 9 in steps of 3 each. This is like saying 3 times 3 is equal to 9.
Wow! That makes it so easy.
Yes, let's try another one. Now let's multiply 5 times 2. This arc has jumped from 0 to 2. This arc has jumped from 2 to 4. This arc has jumped from 4 to 6. This arc has jumped from 6 to 8. This arc has jumped from 8 to 10. Precious, can you give the answer?
Ma'am, can I leave because I have to go in marriage?
Yes, please. Yes, Vihan has written 8 multiplied by 9. Vihan?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you have written 8 multiplied by 9. Yes?
Yes.
So you have to write 9 8 times.
No, ma'am, 8 9 times. The first number should be there.
Second number will be repeated. I will read it like 8 times 9. Not 9 times, 8 times 9. How we will read this multiplication term? 8 times 9.
Yes.
Daria has written 3 into 2. 2 times. Ma'am, we have to. Okay. So children, I will continue this and explain you tomorrow. And I am going to send you the worksheet on how to jump on number line. Please complete that worksheet today and send it to me.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Yes, thank you.